construction update for Melon Gardens in JPC. Construction is progressing steadily. More than 4,300 tons of steel are consumed. More than 19,650 cubic meters of concrete is poured. Tower A and Tower B, Podium 1 slab is completed. Tower A, columns and core walls for Podium 1 and 2 is completed. Tower B is nearly completed. Shuttering and steel work for Tower A and Tower B on Podium 2 slabs are in progress.